Okay, Margie's going to show me how to lock certain, or lock everything except for certain boxes that teachers are allowed to write in. So, all right, let's do it.
I have to start with an unprotected sheet. Okay, so all I did was click into all the fields that I want to be unlocked. Forgot this.
I taught her how to do this.
Of course, because you're brilliant. Okay, we're doing everything except the comments box because that actually has a text box, and I'll show you how to do that one. Okay, so once that's done, you do Command or Open Apple 1, and we go to Protection, and then this has to be unlocked. So it's either going to be locked or unlocked. If it has the little line through it, then you have to keep on clicking it until you get to the unlocked.
Okay.
And then I go to OK.
And then we go to
I'll
the
even
other.
unlock another field just so
No,
that
no, no.
prove to
Well,
you.
you
Okay,
don't have to prove it to me.
Well,
It's got to work.
okay, so then I go and protect.
Okay. And then,
Oh, okay. And now these boxes should be usable. So this has a new drop down. So there's fall, and it's locked. It is indeed locked, and dates and
well, what do you mean? You just pointed to something. What do you?
I pointed down to the tab. The
Okay.
little lock there shows that the sheet is locked. You see that? So the sheet's locked. If it was not locked, the little lock wouldn't be there. And for the date, I have it formatted for the date. So it's like if I put 3/3/13.
Where are you putting that? I got to make sure I'm.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the dates enrolled at the top.
Okay, where? Point to it.
Right here.
Okay.
It's formatted
All right.
for date.
All
So
right.
it does the 0-3. And that's it. Okay, now for the comments. Okay, for comments. So what I did is, you notice this is a text box.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I put a text box. Darn, let me get where I need to be. Okay, so now this one was a little confusing. So when you click on the text box here, you activate the formatting of the text box. So I go to Format Up, and it formats the shape. Okay, so that's what I'm working with, the text box. And in Properties here,
Properties and you. Okay.
in the formatting of the
Okay.
shape, I go there and, oh, it's locked. Hold on. Let me unlock the document. Okay, so let me go back again. So here I am in the text box. I go to Format. No, not, you see, if it's Format Text, I don't want to format the text. I want to format the box. I have to highlight the box. Now I format the shape. I go to Properties here, and now I have made sure that these are unlocked. And I also move and size with cells. That's important because if the teacher manipulates the size of the printing, it'll shrink the text box. If that's not clicked, the text box will not move or shrink, and it'll print off center or whatever. Okay, so then, and print object, because whatever's in there, I want it to print out. So that's it. And now that one's formatted, and so I can lock the whole thing. I'm going to protect the sheet. And now, when I type something, I can go as far as this. If I go down lower, it's not going to print that. So let me print it just to kind of show what happens. Hope it doesn't print. So this was a big issue. So hopefully it's been resolved. Oh no, it does print. So that you know is going to be an issue, but I doubt anybody's going to be writing comments longer
Well,
than.
what was the issue?
The issue is some teachers, there was a limit in the number of characters they could put in a cell. So even if with the merged cells, like say they could only put 150 characters, but these were teachers that wanted to write a long paragraph about their student. They couldn't do that. They were limited. So they had to handwrite their
Okay.
comments.
All right.
So this is a potential solution.
I'm shutting this off now.
Okay.